Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you activate followers option on Facebook profile. So I'm going to show you the simplest way to turn on followers option on Facebook profile. So just at first launch Facebook. After launching Facebook, just click the top right, the three dash icon. Now click on your profile. Now in your profile, here you can see there is a three dot icon beside edit profile. Click on it. After that, here you can see there is an option. The last option is turn on professional mode. Click on it and click on just turn on. Now you can just complete all of these options. I'm not completing. And if you just click on this three dot icon again, and if you click on view as, click on it. Here you can see others will see your profile like this. So guys, that's how you can add follow buttons on Facebook. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.